close till I get.
Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Lucy if you're new here, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing haul from Look Fantastic. Anything ranging from makeup to skincare, and I'm opening their November 2020 beauty box. It's a mystery box, so I don't actually know what is going to be in it. I haven't even looked, I've saved it for the video. So I'm going to unbox that on camera as well. If you are new here, remember to subscribe and hit that bell notification to be notified every time I upload. I am sorry I haven't uploaded in ages. I'm home now due to COVID. I think it's just safer than being at uni. So hopefully I will be videoing a lot more things for you. So yeah, let's get on with the video. I have a massive box here. It is full. I might show you the individual parts first. I do know obviously what I ordered, so I will show you the things I ordered and then save the beauty box until last. Just covered in all this cardboard, paper, whatever it is. So it comes with, oh, Mindful Chef. Is it trying to get me to go on a diet or something? I probably need to. Oh, and Virgin Media. Sorry, we just cancelled our contract with you. We're now on Origin. So the first thing that I ordered off Look Fantastic is this MAC Mineralized Skin Finish highlighter in the shade Soft and Gentle. So that's the packaging. I don't know if you can see. It probably will not focus because I've got autofocus on my face. It's very, very nice. So yeah, that was the first thing I ordered. And the second thing I ordered is the Too Faced Hangover Coconut Water Probiotic Based Ingredient Primer. It's a replenishing face primer and it's silicone free. That's the reason I ordered this, is because it's silicone free. Because I feel like with silicone primers, they're really oily and just, oh, I have oily skin anyway. Next thing that I bought was the MAC Studio Fix Fluid SPF 15 foundation in shade Neutral Warm 10. The reason I bought this was because I kind of wanted to try like a more expensive foundation. That is quite a good shade match. Do you know what I did though before I bought it? I went onto a foundation colour matcher online and I put the foundation shade that I'm using now in like a little generator, and then it converts it to loads of other foundations so that you can find the perfect shade. Because I don't know about you guys, but if you go online and you order a foundation and you buy it and you spend so much money and it ends up like being the completely wrong shade, you can't just send it back. So it's just a waste of money really. The next makeup product I have bought is the NYX Professional Makeup Born to Glow Radiant Concealer in shade, I think it was light ivory. It is quite small. I was expecting the tube to be a bit bigger. Do you know who recommended me this? Molly, my friend Molly. And I trust Molly with skincare and makeup because she researches it and everything, so that's why I bought this. I might do like a little video on my Instagram of like what I think about it on my IGTV. So if you do want to check that out and I do end up doing it, I'll link my Instagram now. But yeah, that's the concealer. I think this was the final makeup product I actually like bought. This is the Urban Decay All Nighter Long Lasting Makeup Setting Spray. Up to 16-hour wear, temperature control technology and lightweight. I love the packaging. I love it. It's like graffiti. It looked like a bigger bottle online. For the price, I was expecting like a massive bottle. But it's not about that, it's about how it performs and how it works. So I'm hoping that my money hasn't been wasted here, especially with the foundation as well. So now I'm on to skincare. I went through a phase of where I didn't really look after my skin, and obviously I was piling makeup on like this. So I got this cleanser. I haven't tried this cleanser before. It's the CeraVe foaming cleanser for normal to oily skin. Molly also recommended me this because she is into like skincare and she knows about what ingredients are harsh on your face and everything like that. So shout out to Molly. It's not the prettiest bottle, but I guess if it does the job then it's fine. It's got what's it? It's got things like glycerin in and sodium lauryl sauce, I can't even say the word, I'm not even gonna bother. The next thing I bought, you obviously in your skincare routine you always need a toner. This is an everyday toner and I've used this before, so I can actually give my review on it. It's the La Roche-Posay Effaclar and it's the micro exfoliant anti-blackheads toner. You don't need a lot of it, let's just say that. I ended up putting too much on my face once and it did kind of aggravate my skin, so you have to be quite light with it, but you put it on after your cleanser and you don't have to wash this off, you just leave it on and let it dry. And then I've also used this before, it's the La Roche-Posay Effaclar Matte Anti-Pores something, I don't know how to pronounce that word, but yeah, this is a matte moisturiser. This is really good as a primer before your makeup. It's really mattifying, and because I do have oily skin, when I wear makeup it doesn't last as long, it goes so oily. Like at the moment it's kind of okay, it doesn't last long. This, it's quite a small bottle, tube even, not bottle. Yeah, I've bought this like 4 times and I keep buying it. So that is everything I actually bought that I know of, like I actually chose myself. And my friend Molly, who I mentioned previously, she gave me a code and it was like for a first time buy thing. And you can give this code to your friend and then you get like a free beauty box. So I haven't opened this and I can swear on my life I haven't opened this yet. Molly was like, Lucy, just open it and have a look at what's in there. But I was like, I've got to wait till, you know, I'm filming. The box is quite nice actually. I might keep it to store stuff. Oh, it's got like a little leaflet. I feel like the leaflet's going to tell you what's in there. Oh, it's got like a little like wrapping paper and sticker on it. There's a few things. There's not much. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the first thing I've picked up is this Lord & Berry bronze eye pencil. Do you know what, right? I would never go out of my way to go and buy like a brown eyeliner, but I love using brown eyeshadow to like do a wing liner. That's really like creamy, that is. It's not like a, you know when you get pencils which are quite tough on your eyes, this just glides on your like skin. Oh, and you can easily smudge it as well. So the next product that comes in the beauty box is this Perfect Legs Skin Miracle to perfect and help cover skin imperfections. Wait, why does it look like fake tan? It's literally, it's come out as fake. It looks like fake tan. There is no way I can put that on my face. I'm a bit confused about that. The next thing is the Niobay Natural and Organic Detox Unpolluted Oxygen Light Cream. Most of these things I might even give to my mum, to be honest. This has aloe vera, green tea, ginkgo biloba, raspberry jojoba oil, sweet almond oil and grapeseed oil. The next thing that I have found in the beauty box is the Be Yourself Incredible Self with Nails Inc London. I don't really use red nail polish, like I can't say I've ever really worn red, but I've got a red nail polish now, so can't complain. This box was free, so it's in the shade Portland Square. It's quite a bright red. Probably use this for holidays when I go on holiday, but I prefer wearing white nail varnish on holiday because obviously with the tan it looks nicer. But I guess red could be my new shade. That's if we can go on holiday. I feel like booking one for next year, but then I think, when the hell are we going to be out of this lockdown? So I'm thinking, maybe just hang on a bit loose. So the second to last one is the, I have no idea what this is. The Philip Kingsley Pure Colour Frizz Fighting Gloss. I have no idea what this is. Oh, it's a shampoo and conditioner. That will go in my travel bag. Oh, it's the final one. Okay. This is Micellar Water. Oh, micellar. Fragrance free. That's what we like to see. Oh, that rhymed. Garnier. I will stick to them. But again, travel size bottle. I don't know what this beauty box is trying to tell me. Is it trying to tell me that we can go on holiday soon? Because I need to book one. Me and Molly are thinking about going on holiday to Spain after we graduate to celebrate. I can't believe I'm graduating next year. I feel like I haven't even experienced uni. So that's quite sad. That is everything from the box and the haul. I didn't really have much thinking about it. I spent enough money. I didn't want to spend more than that. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up and comment below what you'd like to see next. I wish I could show you more stuff, but I haven't actually bought any, so you're gonna have to deal with that. But maybe it'll give you ideas on what you could buy if you want to buy some new makeup. A lot of things were recommended by my friend, and obviously she uses a lot of different makeup products and likes to test them, so hopefully you will see my face on here very soon. I'm trying to think of content ideas because it is very hard when you can't leave your house unless it's for a food shop. So unless you want a vlog of me going to the supermarket, then there isn't much else I can do outside. So yeah, thanks for watching everyone, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!